Today I'm checking out this power tool organizer. It's a magnetic tool holder that you can put on the side of your toolbox or stick it to anything that is metal. It's got a big magnet on it. Now I was sent this at no cost so I can do the review, but let me go ahead and take it out of the box. Let's check it all out and see how well it works. So it's called a power tool holder because it has these big openings right here, and you can put like a drill straight down. It's got a smaller hole down here, and it should be able to hold things like drills and impacts, things like that. But it also looks like it may be able to hold cans, maybe like spray cans, lubricants, things like that. Anything that you could put down in there that size. And then it also has these little small holes here, so you can put things like screwdrivers, extensions, again, anything that will fit in those holes, because it also has the holes at the bottom, so it will hold them straight up. Now, it doesn't actually have the magnets attached to it. When you open it up, there's two really nice sized magnets right here, and they are very strong because when I got them out of the box, they were actually stuck together, and it took me a little bit to get these two things separated. Very strong magnets, and it comes with these screws to put those on, and to do that, you'll find back here that there's a couple holes. You basically put the screw into that, and then on the back of this magnet, there's a screw hole. So these would end up mounting to the back of that, and that would hold it and hold your tools and everything else. Or if for some reason you were just like, hey, I don't even want to use the magnets to hold it, I want to mount this to maybe my wall, or if you have some studs lined up or something, it does come with these anchor kit here with three, it looks like sheetrock anchors and 3 screws. Now I only see 2 screw holes back there, so probably one of those is just an extra in case something happens, you lose one or it breaks, but that's 2 different ways you can mount this. You can mount this to the wall, or you can mount this to something metal with these magnets. So I'm gonna put these magnets on there because that's how I'm gonna use it, and we're gonna go try it out on my toolbox. So here it is put together with the magnets. I put the 2 big magnets on the back. They screwed in with no problem. Let's go put this on the toolbox and see how well it holds. So I'm out here with my toolbox, which needs all the organizational help it can get. It's very messy, but I wanted to show you how this fits. Do you hear how hard that thing pulled against it? I mean, this thing is really strong magnets. And then let's see, how well would it hold power tool? Pretty well. I mean, that's a screwdriver that I use, but this is the thing that I really like about it. And as much as I will use it for these power tools, I'll also be using it for this. Look at this. And then it holds stuff like this. All right, and let's try a couple screwdrivers here. That fit no problem. What about something like this, a bit-based screwdriver? Yep, that slid down there no problem. Very, very cool addition to the side of your toolbox. I mean, why not have 5 of these things, right? You can stack them up. I can put one down here. I could put one up higher over here. I could put one on the other side. Very cool magnets, very cool organizational type of tool here for your toolbox. Look at all of these little places that you can put your most common tools. I definitely like it. I think you will too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.